Where the pizza bones, I swear they were right here. You said you'd share a crust, now you've disappeared. I sniffed the couch, the floor, and over by the door. I'm a hungry pup and can't smell them anymore. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're singing our blues. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're chewing your shoes. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, the moon makes us pay. How about some treats? What do you say? You stole my toy, that squeaky duck was mine. I'm usually chill, not one to whine, but I saw you grab it, run and hide. I barked the truth, you wagged your tail and lied. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're singing our blues. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're chewing your shoes. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, the moon makes us bay. How about some treats? What do you say? You chase me around the yard like it's a game, then act all innocent like I'm to blame. We're brothers, sure, but you test my fate. Still, I guess you're the pup I tolerate. Get off me, I'm trying to nap, I plead. The blanket's still damp from where you peed. You're pawing my face like you're digging a well. Buddy, I love you, but you smell. Oh, give me that shoe, it smells like home. I'll drag it around wherever I roam. You tug it back like it's treasure gold, but sharing's a thing you never control. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're singing our blues. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, we're chewing your shoes. Ah-ooh, ah-ooh, the moon makes us bay. How about some treats? What do you say?